back, everybody. I am Kalani, and this is the Ukulele Club channel. And in this video, I'll be giving you a look and listen to this Kiwaya Soprano Laminate Koa ukulele. And I got this many years ago, and I'll tell you that story in a minute. But right now, let's give it a listen. I'm going to switch mics and give you as many different sounds as I can muster. All right, so let's do that. All right, so what do we have here? We've got a Soprano Koa wood, but this is a Koa Laminate. And what does that mean? It means it's basically a ply wood. I think it's got 2 plies, and they take the real thin, almost like a veneer, right? And you know, some instruments these days are made with whatever wood, and then they'll put a veneer on the outside to make it look amazing, and there's nothing wrong with that. Like, you know, a lot of nice instruments could be made that way. This one is pure Koa, and I wouldn't say it's so much made with a veneer as it is just made with multiple layers of Koa wood. And the lamination it makes them really strong, and so they're less apt to crack and break. And this instrument is probably 20 years old. Let me give you the overhead look. It's just simple, very simple Koa wood, but like I said, laminate. Kiwaya, K-I-W-A-Y-A, is a Japanese company, and I'll show you the label in a second. This instrument's in great shape because I basically don't take it out of the house much. I don't want it to get beat up. It's one of my favorite sounding ukuleles, though. It's just amazing, and I got this up near Portland on a trip. Let me show you the inside. And I went to a music store. A friend of mine worked at a music store, and I went in, and we were looking at some ukuleles, and I strummed this ukulele, and it just spoke to me. It was so nice sounding. It just has this this body to it. It's just amazing. Similar to my Martin soprano, and it wasn't that expensive. I think it was about $350 at the time. So it's just a really nice soprano. I like that it's got a kind of it's bright, but it's not harsh, you know, and it's got body, but it's also at the same time, I feel like it's very well balanced just in terms of the overall sound. The tuners, it does have peg tuners right now, so these are not geared. These are just old style peg tuners, which, you know, can pose a little bit of an issue, but you just tighten them down, and it's okay. Other than that, there's nothing fancy about it. It's just a simple ukulele. I'll play a little bit more. I just wanted to give you guys a sound sample. I have to say I am a fan of the Koa Laminate. Nothing wrong with solid Koa. I have a couple ukuleles that are solid Koa, like my Kamaka tenor. If you haven't seen that video, you might want to watch that one. But the Koa ukuleles that I have 2 tenors that are Koa, and both of them have little cracks on the back, which I think is kind of common. You see a little hairline crack or a little something on the solid wood ukuleles, and it doesn't make them bad. It just means that you might have to have it looked at, take it to a luthier, have it looked after or repaired. And they can be repaired by a skilled craftsperson. Don't try to do this at home, all right? All right, so I'm going to play this a little bit more with a good mic over here, and then we'll wrap up. All right, you can hear it slipping a little out of tune there. So I need to play it more, actually. It probably hold tune better if I play it more. All right, so if you like this, like it, subscribe, hit the bell. If you have any information on Kiwaya ukuleles, or you might call them Kiwaya, but W's are pronounced V's, at least in the Hawaiian language. So I'm going to say Kiwaya, and I'm also going to say aloha and mahalo for stopping by the channel. I am Kalani. This is the Ukulele Club channel. So leave your kind and helpful comments below if you have information or if you have questions. Leave it down in the comments. Hopefully a nice ukulele fan like you will come by and help you out with an answer. If you'd like to connect with me more, you can do that at patreon.com/Kalani, where we have lessons, courses, play-along tracks, drumming, ukulele, Native American style flute, other stuff to help you on your music journey and to help others on theirs. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.